Hi there.
Hi there.
So today it's a random Saturday. So my husband and me were going out for anything. So here, there, and everywhere. So we'll go shopping a little bit, go eating a little bit. So
It's raining outside, aren't we?
yeah, it is. So now we're here outside Walmart at the parking. So we're done grabbing some, random stuff like, chips and drink and other, household items. So I'm here at the vintage store. So I'm gonna share with you a glimpse of the things that I love inside the vintage store. So see, these are antiques that I would love to buy, but I promise not anymore because I don't want extra clutter in my house. So just watching this makes me feel good and happy. So we're done for the day and we are now starving. So we're here at the Chiq chicken. So we are waiting for order to bring home. So Chiq is 100% Canadian. So it is crunchy and crispy, and it's cooked in trans fat free canola oil. So this is healthy for us. So I have here mild and spicy chicken, French fries, and biscuits on for my side dishes, and root beer for my drinks. So this is pre-recorded, my friends, because I made some boo-boos, so I deleted my original voiceover. So the video is kind of boring because you will miss the crunchy noise and the biting and the swallowing. But overall, I should say that Chiq is the best. So I am fully satisfied of my order. So thank you, my friends, everyone, for watching. I will see you in my next video. Babu, and have a great day, everyone.